Hello everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, Baby Truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it! Here you go, Baby Truck. All's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone. Bye! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the Excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach. And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's garage. It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong. Mummy Truck saved the day. I'd better call Eric the Excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's Garage. You're right, Green. There's a fire. It looks like Fiona Fire Truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud Nino sound. All done! Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Nino. That was a Nino, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Nino. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's Garage.
Welcome to the big race, where I, Wilbur T. Weasel, will prove I'm the fastest mechanic in town in my turbo-powered monster truck.
It's okay, Tilly. We don't need a turbo engine to win. You've never let me down.
Right, Gecko. The race starts when the light turns green. Ready? Steady? Go!
Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I'm looking forward to getting my shiny winner's medal. It'll match my shiny watch.
That's it, Tilly. Nice and steady.
Activate turbo power.
Can't stop! We're racing to the rescue!
Oh, we're sinking. Oh, help!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll get you out of there fast.
I suppose you did win fair and square, but next time, I'll be the winner! Oh.
Race back for more fun at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Oh, you're nice and early, Eric. Oh. Mechanicals! Eric's eager to get his repair done. Come on, sleepyheads. You should be full of energy after charging up all night. Let's get Eric's repairs done so he can get going. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Huh? Whoa, you're right, Eric. Their charging bay was unplugged overnight. No wonder they're so run down. Come on, sleepy mechanicals. Time for a charge up. Oh, checkmate. Yay! OK, mechanicals, you're all fully powered. So, let's get the job done. Finished, Eric. We'll see you soon back here at Gecko's garage. Wow! Great job, mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too. Ah, phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
The name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh, do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena! Someone needs rescuing! It won't hook!
Oh! Hang on, Tilly! Keep it steady, Blue!
Gecko, use the umbrella!
Aha! you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Spinning screwdrivers. Who could that be?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you. Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, Mechanicals. Go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Ah! Not that button! Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull slide! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, slide! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry. We'll soon get you free. Go, Mechanicals. Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you.
See you again soon, everyone. Bye. Hello, everyone. We're just about to fit Trevor's new attachment. Green, could you please pass me? Green? Green, where are you? Oh, Green's watering her favourite tree.
Out of the way, Tiny! I'm going to build my new junk food cafe, and this tree is in my way. Move it, trash can! This tree's history. Ha!
Mr. Weasel, you can't cut down Green's favourite tree.
Why not? It's just a stupid tree.
Because, apples. Aha! That gives me an idea. Trevor!
Wobbling whiskers! What are you up to?
See, Mr. Weasel? The tree's important. It grows tasty apples. You don't need a junk food cafe when you have this tree.
Oh, you think I'd rather have some stupid apples and... That's delicious.
I'm proud of you, Green. You were brave and protected this tree. Well done. Here comes Cat.
Huh? Hola, Gecko. Hola, Mechanicals.
Hi, Cat. The Mechanicals have been so excited to see you. Oh, I think the Mechanicals wish they could fly like you, Cat.
Make that junk fly, Sly.
Ah, no more pesky parts cluttering up my nice clean garage.
is not junk.
You're right, Cat. We can use this stuff. Waste not, want not.
I can tell you have an idea already, Gecko.
Let's just say I'm aiming high. Amazing work, team. That was quick as a flash.
We built a flying machine from a pile of trash.
Go, go, Mechanicals. It's time to fly high up in the sky.
Ah, all nice and clean after touching that horrible junk. And it's vanished already. I'll never see that rubbish again. Ah!
We are quite a team, on land and now in the air.
Yes, Cat, that's true. And the sky's the limit to what we can do. Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh. Phew, that was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment.